Well, it's a healthy seafood dinner that your whole family will enjoy.
That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Looking to add a little more fish to your diet? I've got just the thing. We're making salmon and parchment paper today, so let's do it. For this one, you're gonna need some green beans, a little olive oil, salt and pepper, salmon, some pesto, and tomatoes. We get things started with our green beans. A little bit of olive oil to this, and a pinch of salt, and another little pinch of pepper, and let's get it tossed. I'm just gonna use my hands. So here's the beautiful thing about this recipe. I'm using these green beans and tomatoes, but if you had asparagus, you could use asparagus. You could use yellow squash. It's any vegetable that you like. I just picked green beans because it's what I had. So this is ready, and now we're gonna grab our parchment paper, which we folded in half, and I start by putting some green beans on the bottom. I've got my salmon. This is homemade pesto. I happen to have it homemade, but you could buy it. And then on top of this, I'm just gonna put on some tomatoes that I halved. And now comes the parchment paper part of the puzzle. You wanna fold it over. All you do is fold it, tuck it, and fold again. Fold it, tuck it, and fold again. It's like a giant empanada. You gotta really press it down. So now, just gonna transfer this to a baking tray, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven, 350 degrees, about 30 minutes. The internal temperature of your fish should be 145. I got my salmon out of the oven. Very careful when you unwrap it because the steam is hot and you can get burned. And look at that. I'm just gonna take it off here, put it on a plate, and serve it up. And this is your salmon and parchment paper. It's as tasty as it is pretty. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nare. Bon appetito.
For more info on this and other recipes, head on over to our website, WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then on Bite. And for the latest and greatest in all things culinary, Belkys Bite blog is also on there.